Expectations. That's my word today. Hey, this is Stephen Price with Grow Together. You know, when I plant a plant, I put it in the soil and I water it and I feed it and make sure it has the right amount of sunlight, and I expect that plant to grow. And they do. We had expectations when we were growing up, didn't we? You know, when I went to school, my parents, they expected me to learn and they expected me to obey also. And I did. Uh, yes, all the time I did. But no expectations. You know, when I was diagnosed with this cancer, they prescribed a medication for me. And you know what? It was going to be $2,900 a month. And that's with insurance. And I thought, oh my, I can't afford this. And now when I shared that with people at the church, they said, well, what are you going to do? And I said, you know what? God's going to take care of this. So a man said, why don't you call the company? So I said, why not? So I called the company and I thought, well, maybe they'll give me a discount on this medication. So they said, Mr. Price, we'll get back with you. Sure enough, in a couple of days, they got back with me and they said, we're just going to give this to you for free. Wow, that was a great answer to my expectations. When I was diagnosed with this, the myeloma, you know, I knew that God was in charge and I expected him to do whatever he wanted to do. He could have either called me home, he could have just caused me to be very sick, or he could have put me in remission. And folks, he's put me in remission. You know, God can do great things. When we put our confidence and our trust in him, it releases him to work in a powerful way. What God wants us to do is to expect great things from him and then be willing to try great things for him. Hey, this is Stephen Price on Grow Together, and anything's possible with God.